Okay, thank you, Otino. I'm Diako Steven, and I'll be taking us through the CI/CD pipeline. Okay, all of these checks, all of these checks and tests are coordinated by our automated six-stage CI/CD pipeline, which is designed to ensure that no bad code ever reaches our users. And to walk us through the stages, the first stage is our source code, our source commit gate. Here, automated linters check code syntax, to see if the code is messy or poorly formatted. And the build is instantly rejected. Now, our build, the second stage is our build and test gate. This stage, it runs our entire suite of units and integration tests, and should our coverage fall below 85% requirement, the build it fails. And the third stage is the security scanning gate. Here we scan for high vulnerabilities and for high outdated dependencies. Blocking things like leaked API keys or SQL injection vectors. And the next stage which is the stage 4, is our staging deployment gate. Here we deploy the code to a staging server and run automated end-to-end integration tests to make sure all our services play nice together. The stage 5 is our performance and stress gate. Here we simulate 2,000 concurrent users to verify that our code can handle payday rushes. The stage 6 is our production canary gate. Here we deploy the update to just 5% of our users first, while tracking system logs for errors, should in case anything go wrong. Okay, the update is rolled back automatically before the other 95% of the users ever see it. While this pipeline automates our linting, security scans, unit tests, and deployments, we still need human expertise, to give us overall, judgment of the suit or the system built. So here, humans handle our design and security reviews, as well as the usability testing and the UX audits on actual low-cost Android mobile devices popular in Ghana. I will now pass it to my colleague to explain our findings, our SKA findings and audits.
Okay, so my name is Nkrumah Fred, and I'll pick up from my colleague ended. Okay, so this slide talks about audit, defense, and action plan. Okay, so no plan is perfect the first time. So we ran an internal audit on our own process and found 3 gaps. Here's what we did about each one. Okay, so finding 1, test coverage numbers can be gamed with empty tests that pass without actually checking anything. So this is our fix. Mutation testing, which deliberately injects small bugs into the code to verify our text actually fail when logic breaks. Okay, so finding 2, internal ECG and JWCL utility. API are a major point of failure, and they are completely outside our control. Okay, so this is our fix. A snake saga. Okay, so payments are held in a secure pending loop. And if the utility doesn't respond, the system automatically issues a compensating refund transaction after 5 minutes. So finding 3, manual exploratory testing on physical device. Yeah. Yeah. So this was our fix. Yeah. For manual exploratory testing on physical devices was bottlenecking every release. So our fix, a cloud-based device farm that runs automated UI scripts in parallel release across dozens of budget Android phones. The same devices our real users have. Yeah. So to bring it all together, by comparing smart automated pipeline with extra protection on our highest risk features, Akwaba Pay earns the trust that Ghanaian users place in it, one transaction at a time. So our 3 numbers to remember: 90% defect removal efficiency, under 5% change failure rate, and under 30 minutes to repair a critical issue. Okay, so thank you. We are done with our presentation.